straight punch combo, built on bow stance and horse stance. The first punch, keep it short and snappy. Hit like lightning, then snap it right back. The second punch is different. Step forward as you strike. Make it powerful and long, just like an arrow flying off the string. Add a shout on the second hit, and you'll feel the power double. Train it slow to fast, soft to hard, step by step. Do it often, and you'll boost your explosiveness, leg strength, and punching speed. Stamp the left foot hard. Both palms strike to the left, then snap to the right. Right hand forms a fist, left hand stays a palm. Twist the waist, pull the right fist back into an elbow guard at the chest, and step back with the right leg. Step forward with the right, fire out the left punch, sink slightly, and lift the left heel. These 4 moves flow as one left-right combination, powered by the waist and driven by angle force. Keep it sharp, fast, and explosive, fluid but fierce. Like lightning splitting the sky, power crashes forth as thunder flies. Final basic drill. Hold your horse stance steady, no less than 30 seconds. Drop both fingers down. Lift them in a straight line to the shoulders, return to the waist, then push forward. It looks simple, but the secrets are many. When lifting to the shoulders, keep both elbows driving straight ahead. When lowering, the elbows stay close to the ribs. Straight lines give the fastest, strongest power. As the fingers push forward from the waist, this is the moment to gather strength. Sink your breath to the dantian, tighten the core, hold it still. When the fingers shoot out, let the breath explode and the power will follow. That's it for today's training. We drill 3 fundamental skills, and remember, the true power of these basics lies in persistence. Day after day, rep after rep, good work stacks up like hidden strength. This kind of training isn't just exercise, it's an immersive experience. You get to feel the sweat, the motion, and the small victories that build up inside you. Every step forward brings progress, and that progress turns into real confidence. Don't waste energy comparing yourself to others. The only competition is with yesterday's version of you. So stay focused, stay hungry, and keep pushing forward. Your best self is already on the way.
Nathan is such an amazing athlete.
Oh, I know. Did you know he's a full-time student and he performs for Ka?
Yeah, he is amazing. So if any of you want to see him actually live at any time, you can visit Las Vegas, Nevada, and go watch Ka by Cirque du Soleil.